Welcome to part 1 of our Python series. So I will tell you today what Python programming is. What is Python programming and where is it useful? So Python is basically a high level language which is easy to learn. It means only English keywords are being used in this. So you need not to worry about the syntax and all because less syntax. This is a language which requires less syntax. And who developed this is basically there is a developer who is Guido Van Rossum, and this language was developed in 1991. And we call it a simple language because it is simple to write and as well simple to read. Simple to read and write languages. If I talk about the expertise of Python, then where we can use it. In machine learning also, Python is used. In artificial intelligence, all the artificial intelligence things that you are able to see these days, all the artificial intelligence website, machine learning websites, the chat GPT, everything is based on the Python. If I will give you an example of the real life thing, then we have YouTube. YouTube is also built using Python. Instagram, which we use in our day-to-day life, is also built using Python. It is great to learn for beginners. So if you are going to start your journey of programming or coding, or if you want to develop something, then this programming language is best to start. Because you don't have to worry about the syntax, you don't have to worry about the colons, you don't have to worry about the semicolons. So all these things are not necessary, only in some things only it will be required. So if you are starting your Python journey, then this whole series will consist of each and every concept of Python and will consist of also the real life projects. We will be working on real life projects and this throughout the series. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel.